Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is another keto grocery haul for us. We're grocery shopping on a budget. Our budget was $75. We came in under budget. We were right at $64 or some odd dollar like that. I shopped 2 stores this week and the kids and I are gearing up for a pantry challenge, actually a freezer challenge in the month of June. So I'm stocking up on some things and getting some things that we need to use right now. We did not need a whole lot. I did have a small grocery list. We did have to make some choices. We needed almond flour and we needed the chocolate chips this week, but those 2 items were $20 together. So we chose not to get those 2 and we picked up these. So let me share with you what I got at Harris Teeter. I went to Harris Teeter. So I got salted butter that was $3.29. The $2.99 butter I usually get, they were all out. So I got that for $3.29. I picked up 2 things of cream cheese for 99 cents. Cheese was $3.39, buy 2 get 3 free. So I bought 2 and got 3 free. I saw this sausage, $2.59. It was a markdown. And so I picked that up. It's some sweet Italian sausage. Chicken sausage. I'm going to use that for a recipe. I don't know which one just yet. And then I picked up this ground chicken. It was 2 for $6 or $3 a piece. I had a $1.50 off coupon that doubled to I had 75 cents that doubled to $1.50. So I paid $1.50 for a pound of ground chicken. Picked up some of this Smucker's sugar-free strawberry preserves for $3.79, and then Jackson asked for the mini peanut butter filled pretzels for $4.99. Then this I had to decide if I wanted to pick it up or not. This is organic grass-fed ground beef. It was $6.99 for this 1 pound. I actually got $3 off, so it ended up being $3.99, $85.15 lean. So we're trying to move more towards the organic meats as we can. So when that was on sale, I just said, hey, Shakima, you've already talked about moving towards organic. Go ahead and pick it up since I had the $3 off. Picked up some blueberries for $1.99. And then the blackberries this week they had for 99 cents. I picked up 2 of those. Picked up toilet paper for $1.50. Spa paper towels for 49 cents. This Wyman's glass top polish cleaner was $1.17. It was on a deep discount, so I picked up 2 bottles of that. I have not really scrubbed my stovetop in a while, but that's my plan once I get out of school. And then I picked up this dish soap for $1.89. We picked up some of these Sunkist oranges for $2.99 for 3 pounds. And then they had minced cauliflower. This needs to be used tonight. So I picked up 3 of these. They were in the clearance bin for $1. So at Harris Teeter, I spent $48.57. I used 1 little coupon. It was just tragic and a shame. But I do have some fuel reward points. I have 91 fuel reward points for this month. I did end up using my reward points for for April. So I have 91 fuel points saved. Every 100 fuel points get you $10 off of 10 cents off your gallon of gas. Then I went over to Aldi and picked up a couple things. I picked up some zucchini. They had, I think it's 20 ounces of zucchini for $1.29. So we actually picked up 3 of those. And we like zucchini, so we'll make zoodles. And then we might also do that zucchini au gratin that we like. So I have 3 of those at $1.29 each. Baby Bella mushrooms were $1.39 each. Then we picked up spinach at $1.39. The butter was probably $2.99 somewhere in there. Alana picked that up for me. And then the crushed pork, the pork rinds that we're using for a chicken breading tonight were 79 cents. And over at Aldi, we ended up spending $10.97. So about $11 and $49, we ended up spending right at $60. So that is what we spent this week for groceries. We went to Aldi and then Harris Teeter. Couple of the things we needed, we did not get that on our list, but we do have some stuff already here. So I'm going to share with you our meal plan in just a second. Okay, you guys, so I'm trying to decide. So I do my menu plan from Wednesday to Tuesday of the next week because we start shopping on Wednesday. And we have out tonight some chicken tenders. We're planning on doing Nashville hot chicken, and I got that cauli rice that has to be used tonight. So I'm going to do fried cauli rice. That way we'll have enough for lunches tomorrow. In addition to that, I have quite a bit of ground beef. I have quite a bit of chicken. I have a whole chicken. So I think for Sunday, okay, and we have a lot of things going on. So tomorrow's Taekwondo regular. Friday is Taekwondo and a belt test. Alana's testing for her first degree junior black belt. So we'll be there late. So I'm going to have a meal that is either a crock pot meal or something we can just put together very quickly. So I may do quesadillas here for the kids. And I spelled that wrong, I'm so sure. Quesadillas for the kids. Saturday, the kids have Taekwondo in the morning for their special teams, and then they are going to a birthday party for lunch. So for Saturday dinner, it doesn't have to be grand. So I think I may just do... Sunday, we're having a friend over for lunch. Lord, I don't even know what I want to have. We need to make a soup. I do know that. So for Sunday, I'm going to do a zucchini soup. And I have some minced zucchini that just kind of, it didn't shred right. So I actually just dumped it in the freezer. But I'm going to use a broccoli cheese soup recipe and make it with zucchini instead. And I may chop up one of those zucchinis and just have minced or diced zucchini in that. So I'm going to do that on Sunday, definitely, for sure. We're having our friend over for dinner. So maybe we'll do a light dinner. For Saturday, oh my goodness, let's see. We could do cheeseburger soup. Or we could do that broccoli and beef casserole again. We like that one. That was good. So it's either or, the cheeseburger soup or the broccoli beef casserole. Tuesday, I'm going to do a crock pot chicken. I'm going to put a whole chicken in the crock pot and just roast that. Monday night is a I'm home night. I've got a lot of food in the freezer. I just don't have any ideas in my brain right now. Saturday is just going to be leftovers. Whatever we have, leftovers, or clean the fridge out. So whatever we have in the fridge that we have leftovers or we didn't quite eat up for lunches, we'll end up doing that on Saturday. Zucchini soup on Sunday because our friend is coming and I think that'll be a nice yummy soup. Monday night, okay, crock pot chicken on Tuesday night. Then Monday night, I need another beef idea because I have beef, I know. So let's see. I could do the Salisbury steak again. We really like that one. And I got that recipe. I saw that on In With Jen. So if you haven't checked out her channel, she is doing keto as well. She does a lot of the things I do on my channel. But I love her grocery hauls and cooking videos. So that recipe I found on In With Jen's channel. So if you're interested in checking it out, go over. Oh, you know what? I didn't even do... So we have zucchini. So I'll probably do the crock pot chicken. Actually, for Friday night, I'm going to cross that out. Friday night, I'm going to do zoodles and Italian sausage because I need to find something to do with that Italian sausage. So I'm going to do zoodles and Italian sausage, and we have a red sauce. So I'm going to do that. All right, I think that looks good. Nashville hot chicken, cheeseburger soup, or the broccoli beef casserole, either one of those. Zoodles and Italian sausage. Clean out the fridge night or leftovers. We're going to do a zucchini soup using the broccoli cheese soup recipe. Then we're going to do a Salisbury steak, and I probably will have zoodles with that as well. Or veggies. I'll say veggies. And then a crock pot chicken. And we'll do some type of veggies with this as well. Or a salad. But there it is, you guys. That's a simple recipe. The kids and I are getting ready for a pantry freezer challenge for the month of June. And I'm going to be sharing with you some ideas for that. So remember to join us. But thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe it out. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.